Thanks a lot, Cat. Hi, this is Paul.
And this is Storm.
And we're Paul and Storm, and you're listening to The Bob and Tom Show.
Are you an aspiring young filmmaker or actress looking for that shortcut to stardom? Hi, I'm Bob Gaboyan, and I've got the answer for you. When you think of great film and acting schools, you think of the University of Southern California, USC, or the University of California in Los Angeles, UCLA. Well, I have the opportunity to offer you with the Film University of Covington, Kentucky. The name says it all. The film business from hands-on training from me. Well, there's everything.
Oh, Heathcliff. Heathcliff, I love you. What's wrong?
Sandy, how am I supposed to believe you really love Heathcliff if you won't even show him your rooters? Again.
Oh, Heathcliff, Heathcliff, I love you.
Very convincing, Sandy. You really mean you're saying I'm so sorry. Now, girls, let's learn to memorize our lines.
Don't you mean memorize?
No, memorize. If someone's paid $7 to see a movie, they don't give a rat's ass what you say. They want to see boobs. You'll also learn improv. Okay, Sandy, you're at a bus stop. You're broke, homeless, hungry. Oh, and most importantly, helpless. Now begin.
Can anybody spare some change?
Holy! You'll learn about the casting couch.
If I sleep with you, Professor Kavoyan, which part will I get?
Same part everyone gets. You'll learn about resumes.
Would you like to see what I've been in?
No, but I'd like to be in what I'm seeing. Sandy, tell our freshmen about resumes.
Don't waste your time. These are your resumes.
You'll get valuable exposure in some of Bob Kavoyan's versions of classic plays, like The Blouse That Roared and Fiddler on the Roof, and A Tale of Two. It was the best of times. It was the best of times. Feel the excitement build during the first Lose Your Dress rehearsal. Sandy, I may not be able to see your yabos from the balcony, but you should be able to make me believe that I can.
How's this, Professor Kavoyan?
Better. Also at Bob Gaboyan's Film University of Covington, Kentucky, you learn the technical side of filmmaking. Co-eds, start out with my personal On Your Backlog tour. For you fellas, you'll learn how to bring the most from the camera to the screen. Men, this is called a Bazoom or Zeppa lens. Take a look. Holy! Titillating. You'll learn editing.
Where should I cut, Professor Kavoyan?
Does the scene show nudity?
No.
Cut it! Remember my motto, class?
Make it G, get an F. Make it R, get an A.
So if you've got talent and you're ready to show it to me and the world, the Film University of Covington, Kentucky is for you. Simply dial 1-900-428-6837. That's 1-900-ICU-NUDE.
Professor Kavoyan, we've been working really hard. Can we take 10?
I have a better idea. Why don't you step into my office and I'll give you 7. That's the Film University of Covington, Kentucky, where we will accept a few experienced lesbians. Oh, if I get to watch.
We now return to the sports desk, is that correct?
That's absolutely correct. This year's Nathan's famous hot dog eating contest has been marred with accusations of cheating. According to the New York Post, Nick Weary, husband of women's division champion Miki Sudo, is suspected of using sleight of hand trickery during the July 4th contest to inflate his tally.
Don't they have judges right there?
Yeah.
On the day of the competition, Mr. Weary, we all get weary.
What song is that? That's a terrible Three Dog Night song. He's not the one.
Eli's coming. Is that Eli's coming? We all get weary. Anyway, he placed fourth after downing 46.75 hot dogs, but that figure later jumped to 51.75 on the official Major League Eating